How to get control of your stress. Lesson 6.
Hello, my name is Chess Moulton and I'm the Stress Master. Boundaries can often be divided into different categories, so each end stressor might be a part of a situation revolving around issues such as responsibilities. You are held responsible and perhaps accountable for the care, welfare, supervision, or management of others, and you're facing criticism for not carrying out your duties in the way others view it. Personal values. You are being forced to compromise on moral, ethical, or legal values, ones that are very important to you, either at home or work, in order that bending the rules will suit others with whom you don't want to upset. Relationships. You are having problems with your partner, your work colleagues, maybe your friends or members of your family, but you feel it's important they get their wants and needs met, even at the expense of your own needs. In any of these situations, only proper boundaries can determine your response.